Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fill up digital passenger declaration for your travel to Australia. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. So guys, in front of you I have opened the official page from Australian Government Department of Home Affairs, where I have gone for this section, digital passenger declaration. So if you scroll it down, you're gonna find more information on this page. Okay, so here you have all information like who can travel, who cannot, and what are the things you need to do. So this declaration can be done by downloading an app from Apple or Android, or you can also do it online, and moreover this is free. Okay, so like if you have seen ArriveCan for Canada, the similar thing in Australia is DPD. So I'm just clicking this before you start. You have all the information. So I have clicked on create account. You need to read this, click agree, click on get started. Okay, now you need to set up your account. This is very basic thing, and then you need to click on continue. So I'm going to put some information and click on continue. In the next screen it sends 8-digit verification code to the email address that you have put, so I'm going to put that back. Okay, so my authentication was successful. Now in order to start this, click on new DPD declaration. So it is asking us like make sure you have your passport, vaccine certificate, test results with you and an image available to upload. Make sure the passport you are using is the one you will use for your travel to Australia. Dual citizens with Australia should use their Australian passport. Okay, all other passengers use the passport linked to your visa. Okay, let's proceed. Enter your flight details. So start. Your flight has a non-stop. If your flight has a stopover on the way to Australia, please enter both legs of the flight separately. Okay, fine. And okay, so I'm gonna put the details. Okay, and then you need to click on this. So basically I'm not gonna get these details because I have just put the random sample, so you can manually enter the details as well. So I'm just gonna put a sample number. Okay, so I just put the sample details manually, but when you do with your actual ticket, there is every chance that system will be able to detect. So I'm just clicking on confirm. It is now asking for collection consent. You can read it, that's really important. Then click on agree. Next is asking you to provide your passport photo, or you can even enter this manually. Okay, because I was uploading, basically what happens when you upload the actual image, it reads the data from your passport, that image, because I was using a sample image, so definitely system could not. So now it is asking me to fill the details manually, so that I'm gonna do. So most probably you don't have to go through this when you do in your actual case. After you are done with that, it is asking you to put your travel details. Have you been or will you be in any country in 14 days prior to your flight to Australia? Other country? So I have entered no and click on continue. Whatever is your case, if your case is yes, put that information. Are you transiting through Australia through another country? No. Whatever is your case, interstate. Within 14 days after arriving in Australia or within 14 days of leaving quarantine, do you intend to travel to another state or territory? No. Do you intend to live in Australia for next 12 months? No. Whatever is your situation. Are you migrating, visitor or temporary entrant? Your intended length, so I just put 2 months. Your country of residence, I'll select main reason of travel, occupation. Okay, I'll just put. Now it is asking for your intended address in Australia, contact details in address in Australia, and preferred contact method. So I'm gonna do an enter manually because I'm gonna put sample address, but in your case when you type, most probably system is gonna detect it. So in the next page this comes. So once you are ready, you can submit it. I'm not gonna do that because this is a sample entry, so I'm gonna log out instead, but I hope you have got the idea. Thanks for watching.